Tired of the scorching heat ruining your outdoor activities? Introducing our premium UV-resistant Sunshade net, your perfect solution for creating cool, comfortable spaces anywhere. Crafted with high-quality HDPE material and 12-pin knitting construction, our Sunshade nets block an impressive 95% of harmful UV rays. Durable, lightweight, and built to last through all seasons. What makes our Sunshade nets exceptional? Windproof design, weather-resistant construction, significant temperature reduction, and breathable mesh for proper air circulation. Perfect for protecting your precious plants and flowers from intense sunlight. Create comfortable outdoor living spaces for family gatherings. Ideal for greenhouses, providing the perfect light filtration for optimal plant growth. And add privacy to your balcony or terrace while still enjoying the breeze. Installation couldn't be easier. Simply secure with the included ropes and you're done in minutes. When not in use, it folds compactly for easy storage. Available in multiple sizes to fit any space. Need a custom size? No problem, just contact us with your requirements. For a limited time only, enjoy our incredible buy one, get one free offer. Plus, receive a free secret gift with every purchase. Join thousands of satisfied customers who've given our Sunshade nets a stellar 4.8-star rating. We deliver within 24 hours in Manila, and our customer service team is always ready to assist you. Don't let another hot day ruin your outdoor experience. Click the URL link in the description below for more information and to place your order today. Remember, buy one Sunshade net and get another absolutely free. This offer won't last forever. Act now. Cool comfort is just a click away.